Hi, I'm Will Stone from Virtual Technologies, and today I'm here with Charlie Leverton from Smart Technologies, and we're looking at this wonderful piece of new technology called the Smartboard Mini. Charlie, hi.
Hi, good morning, Will. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Tell me, it looks like a very interesting product. What exactly is it? What does it do?
Well, so you're absolutely right. It's part of the Smartboard Mini or Smartboard range, but as you can see, it's a lot smaller than most of our smartboards.
Yeah.
So this one is a 27-inch. The previous version, which was just the podium, was a 24-inch, but had a massive bezel. As you can see, this one hasn't, which basically means we can have more screen size, but not as much dimension, or as a huge dimension, which is great. This is the latest product that we've got. It's basically a video conferencing platform as well. So you've got your camera, which you can turn on and off. You've got a mic array along the top, and then you've got two 6-watt speakers on either side, so which is great. Obviously, you've got to have the pen because it's interactive, which has a charging point on the side, but you'll notice on that side and on this side, there's also a magnetic strip for the pen as well. So, and the beauty of this, Will, is you can basically bring it down 120 degrees, you can pick up a pen, and you can write directly on it, even though I'm resting my hand on. So it's got palm rejection as well. So you've got the video conferencing side of things, you've got Smartboard and Smart Ink side of things, which is free. The Smart Ink side of things is free, but this comes with an OPS slot, which no other podium
Which is in the back somewhere, yeah?
It's in the side, yeah.
Okay.
So which is fantastic. So it gives you the ability to, if you use an Android environment, slot in a smart OPS module with Android, or an i5 or an i7 Windows OPS module as well, so which is great. Some of the other features we've added to this compared to the previous podium is things like HDMI out and also USB-C out. So you can connect them up to a smartboard or a podium, a projector, or even a non-interactive screen. You can still write on here and it will show up on the other screen.
So what's thinking about schools and the technology in schools, in classrooms and halls? What's the use case for this? Where's it going to get used in school?
Well, there's a number of different ways. Obviously, as we just talked about, in terms of projection, lots of schools still have projectors. We were in this morning talking to clients, and there was a lot of hands raised about projection. You can connect this up to the projector through HDMI or USB-C if it's got it, and be able to still present from here. So on a lectern, for example, where you're facing your audience rather than having to turn constantly, you can then use the Smart Ink or even Microsoft Ink, because the pen has Microsoft Pen Protocol 2.0. So you can then write directly onto the board. When you want to move slides, you can just use your finger to be able to do so, which is great.
So here's a stand as a lecturer in a school hall, for example, with this in front of you, it's been replicated behind you. As you scribble on the screen, presentations there, everything's on the screen behind you as well.
But then also in K-12 classrooms as well, right? Because not all students between K and K-12 can reach the top of the smartboard or other boards. This gives them that accessibility, as well as students that, if they're in a wheelchair, for example, again, they need to be able to do something that's at desk level rather than at the top of the screen. So again, by having this, you're opening up that technology to those students as well.
No, that's fantastic. And the benefits to this, as you said, are quite extensive. Everything from, being portable within school.
Absolutely.
And obviously up and down for different use cases for pupils.
Depending on how you want it.
Really interesting product. And our AV guys can help arrange demonstrations and spec these systems out for you.
Absolutely, I love demonstrating this because there's not much to it. Because there's no operating system. It's literally the buttons at the front and showing them how it works. Fantastic.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for your time, Charlie.
You're welcome.
And see you again soon.
Awesome. Thank you.